Okay.
Okay. Pie chart by the slices, sectors, different sizes.
I'm being really slow. Sorry. My brain is trying to catch up right now.
I know I had a rough day today. I am really tired.
I know. I almost went to the store just to get a Diet Coke so I could
Stay awake.
keep my brain awake, but let's do this.
Okay, so I was telling Victoria, I didn't get to do the reading, but I did the videos really quick. So this one, I don't even think he talked about it. He just did, like, there was a little picture, but it doesn't say anything about sizes. So I don't know what this one is.
Let me see. In pie chart, why are the slices sectors different?
It's the third one. Each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category.
Okay. Is that in that reading portion that I didn't get to finish yet?
You know, it wasn't really. I looked again, and it's not.
Oh, so why is it that one? Just so I'm on the same page.
Yeah, because I don't.
Where is it? There's some about it being a category.
So
it talks about it like with the SPSS. It talked about like the slices in different sizes.
Okay. Well, because in his video, he puts them in categories. Like he has, it's at the bottom right here. He tells you what's in each category. So one is the whatever, the quantitative, and the one's that one. Is that just what they're talking about?
Yeah, and yes. And that's the only one that talks about it being the proportion. And each of those little slices is a proportion.
Okay. I think it said that when it was talking about the SPSS instructions as well.
Okay. Those are proportions. Okay.
At least that's
okay. Well, that makes sense now. Okay. Okay. How are bar charts and toe charts related? They're in the same category.
It's the last one.
Okay.
Except the Pareto or Pareto charts, they're just ordered from least to greatest.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
They're right here.
Well, I knew like what they looked like, but I didn't know necessarily what the difference was because they don't have us really using it.
Oh.
And for the homework, they didn't have us select it for one of the questions. So I was wondering if that was just like excess information that we don't need. Okay, use the following information for the next question.
Do the true proportion or the sample. I don't even know.
Oh crap! It's the true proportion or whatever.
I gotta look up my notes really quick. I have it on my phone.
The true population or true proportion. I don't know. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. What'd you say?
True proportion because P is a population parameter.
Okay, so true proportion, is that what you said?
And she mentioned in her video that she sent in her email that it's what P is, but we just kind of guess at it.
Okay. So that I will go over that.
Wait, she says that in her video?
I think so.
Did she have a video on the announcements again?
Yeah.
Okay, this time I didn't watch it. I didn't realize
it's like 14 minutes long. Pretty good summary of the lesson. That one I learned the most from her video and not the lesson.
The one time I don't look at the announcements. Okay.
So N is the sample size, isn't it? Isn't that the same?
Yeah.
Okay. So so for 5 it was true proportion, right?
Yeah.
And then MES is sample size. P, what is
7 threw me for a loop.
What is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement? What?
I don't even know.
I'm gonna type something. It's over here. Open. Okay, so has to be, or in order to satisfy the requirements,
Is it the same as like sample size?
it has to be n times p has to be larger, greater than or equal to 10. So plug in 1/4 for p.
Okay.
Other side to get n alone. And this isn't anywhere in the reading or the video, so I'm like.
So you want us to make n alone, you said?
Yeah, n times 1/4 equal to 10. So now you multiply it, but when you multiply fractions, you have to flip them. So it's n times 4 and 10 times 4. So n is greater than or equal to 40.
Oh, so the answer would be 40, right? Because you're just trying to find. Okay.
What? I understand it, but it's weird that they didn't talk about it.
I know. I was like, what are you doing?
Maybe we should ask her this so we know we're right.
No, it's right. I turned mine in already.
10.
You turned your test in already?
But it would be lagging, huh?
Okay.
No, I turned it in like an hour ago.
Oh, okay. Okay. And you stayed up for us? Thanks.
Yeah.
That's how you got it? Okay. What is the mean of P?
Okay, use the information. Answer the 2 questions.
Okay, so how do we do this one?
Why is it that
Okay, so the mean of P hat.
It's just P?
Yeah.
Why does it feel like, even though I reviewed all this stuff and did the homework, that I don't understand anything once again?
Because we go way too fast.
Superficial.
Yeah.
One's kind of true.
So this would be 0.4, you're saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then that would make, what is deviation of, wait, what is the standard deviation of P? Well, we don't have the standard, wait, hold on.
So there's a formula for that one.
Put the formula in right here. Okay, is this the one where it's square rooted P 1 minus P divided by N?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. That's it? Okay. What's P?
0.4.
4 times 1. 4.
When you guys switched your babies to like whole milk after they were a year old,
yep,
like sore stomachs for a while.
Mine refused to do it. All of them.
Did it hurt your stomach? Is that what you're saying?
My daughter is, and I wonder if it's just that's what happens or if she's like intolerant. But she's never acted intolerant before. Anyway.
Yeah.
You switched from what to milk? Whole milk?
Formula to whole milk.
Formula. Okay.
My doctor told me that happens sometimes, but also he said to keep giving them formula. So like with the milk, not like together, but like one time give them milk, one time give them formula, like switch off, just so their stomachs get used to it. But I don't know. It worked for my kids, but.
Okay.
Mine were just stubborn after nursing. So they all went to water and cheese and yogurts.
Yeah, see, I wasn't able to nurse, so. Okay, what was your answer?
0.1.
Mine was 0.01. What did I do wrong?
Mine was 0.0204.
All right. Let's,
The heck?
wait, did you get yours right or wrong on your homework? Maybe I should just ask you that.
I got it right.
What's the answer that you got?
Yeah.
You got 0.1? Okay, I'm going to redo mine because I did. Okay, I'm just going to redo it.
Okay, so how do you guys type this in your calculator? Just so I'm doing it right. What do you do first?
Parentheses.
Yeah.
Do you want to type? I could type it on here. Let's see.
Will you type it real quick? Because I think I always just do that wrong.
But I came out with the wrong answer. But I know I did it right.
0.4 times, and then
No,
another
I'll do it
parenthesis.
anyway.
4 times 1 minus 0.4. Enter after I did that. Then I divided that, and the answer was 0.24 divided by 24 because that's n. That equaled 0.01, and then I just square root.
Okay, so you did the square root after you did the 0.24 divided by 24?
Then you square root, so you do second square root, second answer, and it'll go back one answer.
Okay. Awesome. Skylar, we're on number 8.
Great.
I got 0.01 again. Wait. Oh, that is what you got. I thought you said you got 0.1.
I'll square root it. Jesse.
Wait. We're not done? Oh, we got to square root it. You're right.
That's why I was
I
like,
completely forgot. My bad.
okay.
Okay. I get it. Oh, wow.
Okay. That makes more sense. Okay, thanks. That was, I don't know why that was so difficult for me.
Any averages?
Standard deviation of P. Wait, are we using the same? Oh, yeah. How do we figure out the standard deviation if they didn't give it to us?
The same thing.
We just
did
that.
it.
Wait, what was 8? Am I on the wrong question?
Wait. Oh, oh no. We're on question 10, right?
Oh, wait, what was 8 then?
0.4. And then
Oh,
question 9 was 0.1. So now we're just doing the same thing again. Skylar, are you at the beginning of the quiz?
I'll go back later and kind of fill those in.
Wait, for number 9, did you get 0.1 or 0.01?
0.1.
Oh, okay. Now
Nice haircut. It's way shorter, isn't it? Anyway, okay. It's just 0.35.
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry. I'm in deep thought with my calculator.
for this one is P.3.
Wait, what did you get? I got
No.
0.045. So 0.05.
For 10?
That's what I got. Let me try it again.
Okay, here's what it is. 35 is x. Because to define p hat, you do x divided by n.
I'm doing the
divided by
wrong
100.
problem. Ugh. I'm so frustrated right now. Okay. So this is for the problem we're using is what is the question again? We want to determine the probability she'll get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at bats.
Oh, okay, I see what you're
So we're using a different formula.
formula in order to find p hat, and p hat equals x over n observation, which is 30.
Got it.
I still don't really understand x very well, but x in this case
is 35.
that's divided by 100 is 0.35.
Okay. So then for 11, it's asking for the
Oh,
standard.
that's right. They did talk about this, but I still didn't. Okay. All right. So then we take these numbers and we do
Just again,
the same thing again.
yeah.
Okay.
Point.
Yes.
And
no,
remember, you're using
right. I'm looking at the
You're using
homework.
0.3 for p.
0.35 for P.
Use 0.3.
But then the bottom number is going to be 35. N.
No, it's 100.
Okay. What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing
N
anymore.
equals 100.
Give up.
Oh,
Wow.
So then, what problem? Stop. So we're on question 11, right?
so I got 0.045. So to be rounded.
Can you show me what problem you did? What formula?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is this
So
one, right? I did it right?
You did it right.
Oh my gosh, the world's ending. I did it right. Yeah,
No,
I didn't do it right.
I'm saying the world's not ending.
I thought you said no, I didn't. I was like, are you kidding me? Is that the right answer that you got for 11 then, Victoria?
Yeah.
Okay, I was so confused with the question before that.
Oh, maybe.
These scores like more crap. It's 0.3.
So then for 11, it's actually 0.05. Oh, wait, no, it's 3 places. Just kidding. It's 0.046.
Yeah.
Okay. And that was the answer you got, Victoria? It was right?
Yeah.
Okay, 12. What is the C score? So now we have to take this information. Obviously, I did the homework, but I guess I didn't understand it because I was following the video.
So Z score is equals P hat minus P divided by.
Divided by the standard deviation.
Is it this formula we're doing right here? Hold on. Is it this one? That's a Z.
That's it.
Yes, that's the right one.
number 13 correct. Super. I think they're looking for something else. What did you guys get for 12?
Hold on. 35 minus 0.3 equals 754.34.
What number are you on?
Did I do that right, or did I do it wrong?
What number are you on?
12?
I got
That's not right.
10.91. Whoa, how did you get 1.091?
Oh gosh, okay. So we do, it should be 35, right? 35.
No, 0.35. 0.35 minus 0.3.
Yeah.
That's where I messed up. Wait, so then for question 10, it's not 35, it's 0.35?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 0.35.
Okay.
Wait,
I need to go back to understand this.
So,
Okay,
so for the
35.
Z-score, that Z-score, did you get 1.09?
Yeah, 1.091.
One, right. Okay.
Yeah. I got 1 decimal over, so mine says 10.91, whatever. How'd you get that one?
You just divide, it's 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by the previous standard deviation, which is 0.0458 or 0.046.
So it's 1.087. That's what you guys got?
0.91.
What?
1.091.
Oh, it's probably because I just did, instead of re-plugging the whole thing in, I just used the standard deviation we got.
Okay, how do we do this one? 13? Did you say you got 13 wrong?
What is the probability gets?
Yeah, and
35.
got it wrong.
So
Kind
this
of
one's
wonder
the
if-
probability applet, right?
Yeah.
Where you put it in?
Yeah.
And I think by saying at least, you highlight the 2 left spots, so the middle and the left spot, right?
Let me see. Let me plug it in here. 1.091.
Can you shade which one?
That would make sense for the middle and the first one.
The negative one?
Do you know what I think? I think you
No, I
guys
think
should
it's just the
shade
left spot.
What did you
just
get?
the left spot.
No,
But it's
because
not negative.
there's a positive Z-score, right?
Yeah.
You know what? Here's what I wonder. Up there in the information, it says we're trying to see if she's 35. There's a discrepancy between that and 18. Disparity.
So you put in 0.86 too and got it wrong?
Yeah. I'm just going to highlight to the right if they want.
Just the right?
I mean, I have no
least.
clue.
I don't even.
Again.
So then it'd be 0.137.
I honestly don't know what to do otherwise, unless you guys have ideas. I don't know what.
No, that's actually a good idea. At least.
I don't know if this is right, but in the guy's video, in all of his examples, he has not once shaded anything on the right. He's just shaded the the negative side and the middle side.
That's true. He always shaded on the right, but I don't know. It still should be depending on the question.
Yeah, so I don't know. I was just saying that in his examples, he never did anything on the right.
I just closed
Wait,
my.
I have a quick question. So what is that, right? That's correct, because her batting average is 0.3.
Do you think that's what it needs to be? Something else?
Because if you do 0.3 minus 0.35, then that's a negative. And then you divide it by the standard deviation.
You see,
Just a thought. Would that change the standard deviation too? Because then p hat would be different.
yeah, but I got the other ones correct.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Maybe the 5, I think, is her p hat.
I think he.
Kind of like that though, Skylar. That might be right. Okay.
Because if you think about it, like, I'm trying to think. Hold on. Like 30% batting average. That's not that much, so it shouldn't take that much to get 30% every time. Does that make sense? Or 35.
You want to put it on just the left? You want to put
I mean that's my thought, but
So
Because-
Victoria,
we can do it. I'll do it.
what did you shade?
Let's try. Side, Alexis. We're doing just the left. Because wrong.
so is it
So just the left?
0.138 then?
Yeah.
Yeah. The other thing, I don't know. I feel bad.
Well,
I know I got it wrong.
sorry, what
I
did
don't
you
want you
shave
to be-
the first time? Did you shave the left and the middle?
Okay, I'm gonna
If this
try
is
shading the
right,
right.
if Skylar's right,
I'm just gonna try it for the heck of it.
Yeah, because
just the right is the same as just the left.
Just the right is the same.
Oh, it is.
still-
Yeah.
Oh. Why is mine?
14.
Oh, so either way, okay.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Yeah,
if
so
we
we know it's not shading all three, and
Yeah.
the middle two, or the left and the
Yeah.
middle were wrong, so it's got to be just the one, right?
probably
Yeah, I hope wrong.
Okay.
All right, so it's gonna be
Just do it.
It's
Point.
0.138.
0.138. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, let me go in.
Standard deviation of P.
So this formula is the standard deviation one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then it's the whole P formula we did before, right? Or is it just what is it, 50.52 divided by, divide by the square root of 2000?
So square root of 0.52 times 1 square root 1.
Okay.
Or is over
Okay, so it's 0.01. Wait, 0.0116.
0.11 because it's just the 3 decimals. I got that one right.
So 0.012.
I just put 0.011.
Okay. Okay, what is the z-score? What z-score would you use? So this is the extensive one, right?
But just save it and divide as you can.
You're cutting out.
Yeah. Just minus p divided by that number.
No,
So-
you cut out a whole bunch. What did you say?
Okay.
So you're saying do p hat minus p divided by whatever you got for the square root, because that's what you already did,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
right? That's what you're saying.
But
Okay.
what's p hat then?
Hey, Troy.
5.
Is p hat 0.5?
And how did you get p hat? Is that when you divide it by 2?
Got that wrong. Wait.
Okay. I'm just doing a class thing. I'll be done in a minute.
So I think p hat is actually divided by, oh yeah, so divided by 2000. So it's 0.5.
0.5 is p hat?
Yeah.
Yep. So that's 0.5 minus 0.52
Yeah.
divided by standard deviation 0.011.
Yeah.
I got negative 0.818.
What'd you get, Alexis?
Negative 1.818.
That's a little different than mine, but I'm not sure what you guys get. I got negative 1.791.
Okay, I got negative 1.8018.
Oh my gosh.
Probably
So-
don't know what I got, so.
We probably should add
I
the
got
point
negative 0.6.
0.1117.
Okay, does anybody want to show me what they're writing out? Because I have mine written out, but I don't think it's...
Right here.
Okay. Well, that's what I did. Huh.
Anything else different? I got negative 1.79.
Yeah, actually, I added more numbers in from the standard deviation, the original one.
Is Skylar frozen?
Am I frozen?
Oh,
No.
you're holding your face really like sideways.
Well.
So
So negative 0.791.
is that what the answer is?
That's what I got.
That's what you got?
The freak. Yeah, that's
Say it again?
that's 2 of us.
Oh, okay. See, I'm doing mine wrong. I hate this lesson.
Sorry, Victoria, you cut out. Did you say you got that same answer?
typed it.
How did you get the 791? I got 818.
You have
Add
to.
enough numbers to your standard deviation when you subtract or divide it. You have to.
You have to redo the whole thing, basically.
Just
No?
add a few more digits. Add more digits. You don't have to do the whole thing, but add more digits.
So to my standard deviation, I added 0.01117
Why'd you add 7?
because that's what I got for the standard deviation originally before I rounded.
Oh, okay. Okay. That makes more
How
sense.
many ones was that? 0.0.
A 0, 3 ones, and a 7.
Okay.
Okay. So the answer is that one that we got. Okay. 16. What's the probability is the result? What do we do for this one?
Yay. Okay, so you need to put it in the applet. We got that right. Yay. Okay, so you put it in the applet. So enter the z-score, which is negative 1.791. And then we'll shade first. Shade first and then enter the z-score.
So what do we shade? Do we just shade the left or?
What is probably the results from
What's
shade?
the
So it's going to be the left in the
question
middle, right? No?
It asks losing. So lower than the z-score
That's
that
right.
we
It's
got.
negative. Negative.
Lower. Yeah.
791. So it's 0.037.
Yes. Hey, we got that other one right too. I don't understand that question.
Which one? The 13?
I don't understand that one at all, but there you go.
Wait, we got one wrong?
That was right. We got that one right. And I don't know why.
Cool. Skylar, since you're here, so we were talking about earlier, our project is not due, like the entire thing is not due until week 12. So what to do this Saturday is just like the outline of it. And so
Okay.
I'm going to send an email out right after we get off of this with all of our stuff in it. So then we can share all that stuff. And then Victoria, did you look and see if we all have to turn something in for that, or is it just one person?
And I already turned it in.
Okay, cool. But I'll send, so then when you get all your data and stuff, just send it through that group email.
And then everybody will get it.
Okay. I collected that all.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll just send it in.
Go ahead, sorry.
Victoria,